All right, back with you. It is March 6th, Sunday, beginning of March, the month, going into the second week as the market's been pretty wild with the war in Ukraine, all kinds of stuff happening, sanctions. Right now, Dow Jones is minus 419, crude 122, NASDAQ minus 260. It's really getting hammered. Yeah, the NASDAQ, if you put in, the high and the low, what's it drop about 3,000 almost now? It's a huge drop. It's a huge drop. Even though, see, the run from the low to the high in March COVID, yeah, you're still way above, but it's a massive drop. All right, so that's where we are, and it should be interesting tomorrow. Taking a look at different type of stocks, oil stocks, and different plays. Saw this on Friday, it made a 30% move. OP, Ocean Pal Incorporated, newer IPO. Not much information. Let me take a look at it on FinViz. So, 5.51 market cap, really small. Insiders in 7.15%, institutions 13%. Not much information. Focuses on provision of ocean-going transportation services. Company owns and operates dry bulk carriers that transport major bulks such as iron ore, coal, grains, as well as minor bulks, phosphate, bauxite, and fertilizers. As of November 29, 2021, its fleet consisted of 3 dry bulk vessels, which include 2 Panamax, 1 Capesize. Company is based in Athens, Greece. So, relatively small. Just came about, looks like the IPO. Stock made as high as 12. Major gap up back in December, then did a waterfall sideways for almost a month, and a little bit of waterfall here. See 3, 4, 5, then a gap, and it made to a low of 39 cents. And now this is the move too. See right here, look at this line from your 2013 EMA. Look at this space. This is a very wide space. It means it's very oversold, and it has to come in. The price has to catch up. So it's going to go sideways. This is coming down. See this, and then eventually it's going to wrap around, which is happening now. Look at that volume, 20 million. Your stochastic started to move back in February, we'll say the 9th. So, it's a leading indicator there. And your EMAs, see, this starts to catch up. This is wrapping down, and your price is going sideways. And what happens here? This looks like a really great setup for a $1 roll right here. It might spike. How high can this go? Well, you have a lot of resistance here at the 2 lines. A newer stock, so who knows even if that's resistance at this point. The weekly chart, and nothing to go in really. You can see this, the 13 EMA starting to form at 145 monthly. Nothing there really. So this is an interesting play. Any news on this? Announced time charter contract for MV Callispo. 12 penny stocks, most popular Reddit and Robinhood. That was December 12th. It's way back. Not much news just about this contract. And it's a relatively new stock IPO. And here we go. So, on these moves right here, the rule is 25, 50, 75, $1. They're major marks and penny stock land. $1, is the ultimate level. If we can get above 1 and stays above 1, it's very strong. That's a very big candle there. So you have 75 right here, $1, and then this waterfall. That's why it's up near 2. Now look at the 5-minute. There was the move on March 4th, and that was Friday. Straight up move. This happened early too. See, 4:10 a.m. And then this thing washed down hard. Pyramid, front side. There's your back side. And then it looks like it held pretty much 53 cents. Then it took off late. Well, a lot of oil stocks, they took off like that 1 p.m., 2 p.m. This isn't oil, but shipping. This could be, maybe this is important because a lot of stuff happening over in Ukraine, Russia, shipping. Maybe they get a contract, or maybe The use of this could be, really picking up because of what's happening over there. So who knows? I don't know, but just some thoughts. And there it goes. See it move up right there. Now the gap right there, that's what I mean, that one. So you're looking for a $1 roll. I don't think it'll stop here and make a U-turn. So this is big, big move. We'll see how this plays out. And stochastic's riding up. Now your stop on this right there. 50-cent level, of course, big move. If this falls back, if it does some sort of inside day and fakes out, you've seen that before. But you have a stock start at 12 and down to like 71 cents. It's pretty big. So look for that. We'll see what happens. This is pretty straightforward, this chart. You have a move up, come down sideways, and a gap down. You held that 50-cent line just below for a long time. It almost looks like a reverse. What I have it on here? A reverse head and shoulders, a little bit. See here, this is a shoulder, and this is sort of head. Didn't come down like real far. You can see the glimpse of that. That was the peak of the low move. Then we move up. All right, so check that out if you're interested in that trade. Take a look at yourself. All these stocks I mentioned. Maybe it fits your criteria. Maybe you understand what I'm saying. So check that out, and the other stocks to see if you see the same way, or you're seeing it the same way I see it on some of these plays here. A lot of these plays too could be swings. It could be day trades. Anywhere from, it could be a few days, even a month. I don't like going over a month. Sometimes depends. Stock continuously is rolling. It's a good sign. All right, so check that out. That's it for OP. Please subscribe to Mike Kidman Trade Alert on YouTube. Smash the like button. Check out any of my links below and social media if you want to add me. That's it. Peace.